Imagine trading a traditional foundation for a repurposed steel shell. These innovative builders are proving that home doesn't have to be conventional. By applying expert craftsmanship to industrial shipping containers, they are sculpting cold metal into warm, sophisticated living spaces that blend utility with high-end design. This isn't just an exercise in sustainability, it's a complete reimagining of modern architecture and the very definition of a dwelling. When a boom pump isn't an option, field innovation takes over. Here, a builder utilizes an excavator bucket as a makeshift elevated platform to pour concrete by hand. It's a raw look at the resourcefulness required on site. Risky? Perhaps. Effective? Absolutely. Who says you need a concrete pump? This is what happens when peak technical skill meets heavy equipment. It's more than construction. It's true craftsmanship in motion. This digging hammer is a total transformation kit, turning any standard tractor into an unstoppable force of nature. Built with a heavy metal attitude and engineered for the most unforgiving terrain, it operates with the relentless precision of a machine on a mission. There's no hesitation and no wasted effort, just pure industrial-grade muscle ripping through hard ground. If you need a tool that dominates the job site, this is it. By repurposing a concrete mixer into a high-powered winch, these guys prove that ingenuity beats expensive equipment every time. It's a brilliant example of practical engineering, taking everyday machinery and finding a totally new, high-utility life for it. This is exactly what real problem-solving looks like, making the most of what's already in front of you. Leveling out concrete is a manageable task, even for a beginner. While the job moves much quicker if you can recruit a couple of friends to help, don't be discouraged if you're tackling it alone. It's entirely possible, provided you're ready to put in a little extra sweat and patience. You don't even need expensive machinery. A few sturdy ropes are enough to get the job done right. Check out this ingenious shortcut, using a vehicle to strip away old roofing. What usually requires hours of grueling manual labor was finished in just a few moments. By simply hitching the material to a car and hitting the accelerator, the shingles peeled back effortlessly. Our pools are crafted using a proprietary concrete blend that seamlessly merges high-end aesthetics with superior waterproofing. The rich, multi-tonal finish creates a visually striking surface that is as durable as it is beautiful. We believe in more than just construction. We are dedicated to designing an enduring outdoor sanctuary that maintains its elegance for years to come. By integrating a vacuum directly into the bucket, operators can excavate and clear debris in one seamless motion. This dual-action approach eliminates the need for secondary cleanup, allowing a single machine to deliver a spotless finish. It is a straightforward enhancement that radically simplifies the job site and boosts overall productivity. The era of smarter construction is officially here. By bypassing the need for cranes and extra manpower, autonomous drones are now handling the heavy lifting of material delivery. We're seeing faster turnarounds and safer environments as the industry transforms in real time. Look up, the future of the job site is already in flight. Have you ever considered repurposing a leaf blower as a high-efficiency grass seeder? Believe it or not, it works remarkably well, achieving a uniform spread that rivals professional-grade equipment. By making just a few minor adjustments, a standard piece of yard gear transforms into a precision seeding tool. It is a brilliant example of functional hacking, proving that sometimes the most effective solutions are already sitting in our garages.